What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another, yes, easy and delicious recipe. Now, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a creamy tomato spinach pasta. Now, I know I'm gonna run some people off because they're like, oh man, no meat involved. That's right, guys, no meat in this one, but I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. So just stick around, hang in there with me, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so let's talk about what we're gonna use for today's video. We're gonna start here with this Penne Pasta. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I pronounce it wrong, let me know. You guys know I got an Alabama education. I'm gonna use some chicken stock, some heavy whipping cream. I'm using some fresh spinach here, black pepper, some fresh basil, some Parmesan cheese, an onion, some sun-dried tomatoes, tomato paste, kosher salt, and some garlic cloves. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and continue. All right, I've measured out the ingredients. Let me tell you what we have. So right here, I have about 17 ounces of penne pasta. So you can use about 14 to 17 ounces. Right here, I have chicken stock. We're gonna use 4 cups of chicken stock. So this is 32 ounces. So I'm just gonna keep it in here. We're gonna use this whole thing. We're gonna use 1 medium onion chop, a cup of heavy whipping cream. Right here, I have 4 to 5 ounces of fresh spinach. I have a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I have half a cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of that sun-dried tomato oil. So the oil that was in, I used a tablespoon of that. I have a 1/3 of a cup of tomato paste. I have a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now you can omit that if you want to. I have 5 garlic cloves minced, a 1/4 of a cup of basil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat our pot. Add that 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or actually it's not olive oil. Well, actually it is olive oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. And we're gonna follow that up with our onions. And we're gonna cook these over on like a medium high heat until they're slightly brown. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic along with our sun-dried tomatoes. And we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Man, that aroma and that fragrance with the onions, the garlic, and these tomatoes, man, sun-dried tomatoes, man, it smells good already. And guys, you wanna make sure you continue to keep this, you know, this moved around, because you don't wanna burn your garlic, especially because it burns quicker than pretty much everything in there. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our tomato paste. And we're gonna cook this for another couple of minutes. Again, moving it around in here. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start adding our chicken stock. We'll slowly add that in there. Just like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mix this up to blend it in with that tomato paste. Kind of deglaze the pan as we're doing it. So you wanna start scraping like the bottom of the pan. And we're gonna come behind that with our heavy whipping cream. We'll get that mixed in there like this. We're gonna come behind that with our pepper, our salt, and those chili flakes. We're gonna get that all mixed together. Now we're gonna come in with our pasta shells. Our pasta, not shells. And we're gonna get these shells stirred in here like this. And we're going to drop our heat down to a low medium. And we're gonna cook these until the pasta is about 75% cooked, maybe for about, typically it takes about 13 minutes. So we're probably gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna let this cook uncovered for about 10 minutes. All right, I'll be right back. And guys, you want to make sure you stir this frequently, often. You don't want to leave it unattended. You don't want to do that, so you want to make sure you stir it often during these 10 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add our spinach now. And along with our spinach, we're going to add our basil. And we're going to cook this and allow it to wilt down. And if it starts soaking up all the juice before it wilts down, guys, just add a little bit of water or some more of that, your chicken stock, if you have any chicken stock. So I'm going to turn this up so it can start wilting down. Guys, and the last step is to add our Parmesan cheese. We're going to stir that in. Like that. All right, so I have all that mixed in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off our cooktop. You guys, take a look at what we have right here. Now, guys, if you wanna add like chicken to this, you can. Like some grilled chicken, you can add it right here in this step. Or right before you add the cheese, just add your chopped chicken in there. You can make it like that, make it a whole meal with chicken. But we're just gonna keep it just like this, pasta and spinach, tomato pasta and spinach, just like this. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and get this over to a bowl and I'll be right back, guys. And there you have it, guys. Tomato spinach pasta. Guys, take a look at this right here. Man, look at how delicious this is right here. Man, that looks so good. And I'm telling you, I'm typically not a pasta eater without some meat in it, but this right here is a go. So guys, the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below, so check it out. Everybody, go support that All Wings Everything merch. Go get my ebook, Down Home Foods, What I Learned in Alabama. Guys, this is not a chicken wing recipe book. It is a down home Southern cuisine ebook. So go check it out, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get over here to quality control. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so now we are here for quality control. Put our elbows on the table. It's time to eat. So let's take another look at our pasta. Take a look at that. Ooh, man. I know y'all saying, but it ain't no meat in there, Spinelli. It ain't no meat. Yeah, I know. If you want to add meat, you can. But guys, we're gonna eat healthy today. Let's take a bite of this. Let's get some of that spinach. Get some of those sun-dried tomatoes. Of course, we're gonna get some of that pasta on there. We're gonna see what this tastes like. Oh, you can sprinkle it with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. Man. Let's do that again. Guys, this is good. I love pasta too. Let me tell you, if you did add you some chicken in here, it definitely, you can make it into a meal. It's good. You can add some grilled chicken and you're good on this one here. I'm telling you, this one is good. Absolutely delicious. Go ahead. Y'all want to try this recipe out? It's delicious. All the flavors, you already know, they meshing well together, man. Y'all already know, I'm going to call it some good groceries. These some good groceries, son. All right? So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Pick up that ebook, and I am out. Peace.